Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and realizing that you no longer depend on selling your own products to make money online. Instead, hundreds of vendors are selling their products under your marketplace brand. Every transaction earns you a commission. Every new vendor who registers becomes another stream of revenue. Your platform grows even when you're asleep. That's the power of building a multi-vendor marketplace, and that is exactly the kind of business empire the eMarket theme is designed to unleash. eMarket isn't just a WooCommerce theme. It is a fully engineered marketplace infrastructure, combining visual refinement, modern UI/UX, high scalability, and deep vendor management capabilities. The real value of eMarket is not just in its design, but in the systems it enables: automated product onboarding, marketplace monetization, buyer-vendor trust building, category expansion, long-term SEO growth, and brand-owned data analytics. When you zoom out and look at the bigger business picture, eMarket becomes less of a theme and more of a blueprint for building a digital commerce ecosystem. When the homepage loads, you see immediately that this is a design made for serious business. The layouts are not only attractive, they are engineered to convert. Mega menus allow category-heavy structures without overwhelming the user. Banner spaces are intentionally placed for promotions, vendor highlights, or seasonal campaigns. Interactive product cards, hover animations, and fast-loading components give buyers the sense of browsing a modern, world-class e-commerce platform. Customers feel like they're shopping on a site operated by a major retail brand, not a small WordPress store, and that perception is crucial when your goal is to scale. As you scroll deeper through the demo, you notice how each homepage layout is built for a different commercial angle. Some are optimized for electronics marketplaces, others for fashion, beauty, home goods, or general-purpose multi-category platforms. There are homepage variations that showcase daily deals, flash sales, trending vendors, or curated collections. This diversity positions you to build not just one type of marketplace, but to pivot into multiple niche markets as your business evolves. The product pages reveal the heart of the customer experience. eMarket supports detailed product galleries, variant selectors, video galleries, product comparisons, wish lists, and quick view interactions. These features may sound common, but at scale, they dramatically shape user trust and conversion rates. When your marketplace begins to host thousands of products from dozens of vendors, this level of detail and interactivity is essential. Each product becomes a standalone experience that leads buyers closer to a transaction, without friction or confusion. What makes eMarket especially powerful is how it handles multi-vendor operations. Every vendor can have their own storefront, complete with branding elements, banners, product listings, and store information. Vendors can log into their dedicated dashboard to manage products, inventory, order fulfillment, shipping methods, and earnings. They can track sales performance, manage customer messages, process refunds, and configure store policies, all from the front end, without needing back-end WordPress access. This vendor autonomy is one of the biggest reasons multi-vendor platforms succeed. Sellers feel empowered, and buyers feel confident dealing with real businesses. From the admin's perspective, you become the orchestrator of an entire commerce system. You control vendor commissions, whether it's a fixed fee, percentage per sale, tiered commissions, or subscription packages. You can restrict vendor capabilities, approve products before they go live, highlight top sellers, and create premium vendor tiers. You're not just hosting vendors, you're turning participation into a revenue model. And because vendors manage their own operations, your workload doesn't scale linearly with the number of sellers. The marketplace grows, but your responsibility doesn't multiply at the same rate. That's the beauty of digital leverage. Another strategic advantage of eMarket is its mobile optimization. The theme includes a specifically designed mobile layout for improved speed and usability. A large portion of e-commerce traffic now comes from mobile users, especially in developing markets where mobile-first commerce dominates. Having a system that loads quickly, displays information cleanly, and performs well on mobile can dramatically impact your retention and revenue. eMarket doesn't just shrink the desktop layout, it restructures the mobile experience so users feel like they're browsing a professional app environment. Behind the scenes, performance and stability are critical, and eMarket addresses both. With optimized code, built-in caching compatibility, lazy loading, optimized query handling, and lightweight CSS/JS architecture, the platform maintains speed even at scale. This matters for SEO, user satisfaction, and paid ads performance. Fast loading times increase conversion rates and reduce bounce rates. When you eventually run ads, whether on Google, TikTok, or Facebook, your marketplace must load smoothly to avoid wasting ad spend. eMarket gives you that foundation. The SEO capabilities are another engine of long-term growth. Every category page, product page, vendor store page, and blog post is structured to rank well on search engines. As vendors continue to upload products, your marketplace naturally creates thousands of potential entry points for organic traffic. Even if a vendor leaves your marketplace, the SEO value of their products remains. This means your platform grows in search visibility with every new listing. Over months and years, this compounding effect can transform your marketplace into an organic traffic magnet, a self-sustaining machine that brings in buyers without paid ads. Trust and safety systems also define marketplace success, and eMarket incorporates them well. Vendor ratings and reviews build transparency. Store verification badges create a professional marketplace environment. Buyers can compare stores, evaluate seller performance, and feel secure before buying. As an admin, you can enforce return policies, monitor seller behavior, and maintain platform integrity. Trust becomes a currency, and eMarket gives you the mechanics to cultivate it. The more you examine the theme, the more you realize its business potential goes beyond just vendor fees. You can create multiple revenue layers. You can charge vendors for featured product placement, homepage exposure, premium search ranking positions, banner slots, or store customization upgrades. You can sell ads, offer vendor subscriptions, take commissions, add product upload limits for free tiers, and unlock unlimited uploads for paid tiers. You're not just running a marketplace, you're running an economy. As your marketplace grows, brand identity becomes essential. eMarket supports deep customization, typography, color themes, layout structures, header and footer styles, promotional banners, and Elementor-based content blocks. You're not stuck with a template look, you're building a brand narrative. Whether you aim to build a niche marketplace like Urban Fashion Market, or a massive platform like Global Home Goods, the theme adapts. And brand equity compounds over time. Once your marketplace becomes a known destination, the business transforms from transactional to iconic. Then there's the vendor ecosystem. Over time, vendors will promote your platform on their social media, invite their customers to shop on your site, and attract other vendors to join. This is organic network growth, the most powerful form of marketplace expansion. Every new vendor increases product selection. Every new product increases traffic potential. And every new buyer increases the marketplace's attractiveness to future sellers. You begin to witness the flywheel effect, momentum built by marketplace activity itself. When everything is operating together, design, vendors, buyers, SEO, trust systems, monetization, your marketplace becomes something more than a website. It becomes a digital asset with real economic value. Marketplaces historically have some of the highest valuations in the digital world, because they create multi-sided network effects, produce recurring revenue, and grow exponentially rather than linearly. eMarket gives you the technological skeleton to build such an asset. If you think about the long-term vision, you're not just launching a WooCommerce site. You are building a brand, a platform, a digital ecosystem where sellers thrive, buyers return, and your income grows without the limitations of inventory or fulfillment. eMarket offers the infrastructure, but the empire you build on top of it becomes uniquely yours. And that's what makes this theme a true business opportunity, not just a design template, but a gateway to platform ownership in the digital economy.